Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us.
Thanks for watching.
Places. Places. Home. Home. I'm going home. I'm going home. School. School. I study English at a language school. I study English at a language school. Library. Library. I borrow books from the library. I borrow books from the library. Park. Park. I like to walk in the park. I like to walk in the park. Store. Store. I buy groceries from the store. I buy groceries from the store. Restaurant. Restaurant. I eat at a restaurant with my friends. I eat at a restaurant with my friends. Beach. Beach. I enjoy swimming at the beach. I enjoy swimming at the beach. Hospital. Hospital. I visit my grandmother at the hospital. I visit my grandmother at the hospital. Office. Office. I work in an office as a receptionist. I work in an office as a receptionist. Gym. Gym. I exercise at the gym every morning. I exercise at the gym every morning. I watch movies at the cinema on weekends. I watch movies at the cinema on weekends. Airport. Airport. I travel by plane from the airport. I travel by plane from the airport. Zoo. Zoo. I see animals at the zoo. I see animals at the zoo. I wait for the bus at the bus stop. I wait for the bus at the bus stop. Supermarket. Supermarket. I buy groceries at the supermarket. I buy groceries at the supermarket. Post office. Post office. I send letters at the post office. I send letters at the post office. Coffee shop. Coffee shop. I enjoy a cup of coffee at the coffee shop. I enjoy a cup of coffee at the coffee shop. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. Bank. Bank. I deposit money at the bank. I deposit money at the bank. Church. Church. How often do you go to church? How often do you go to church? Mosque. Mosque. He worshipped at the local mosque. He worshipped at the local mosque. temple, temple. We go to temple on Saturdays. We go to temple on Saturdays. Clinic, clinic. He works in a medical clinic. He works in a medical clinic. Police station, police station. I went to the police station to report a crime. I went to the police station to report a crime. Train station, train station. The train station was crowded with commuters. The train station was crowded with commuters. Court, court. Witnesses were called to testify in court. Witnesses were called to testify in court. Car yard, car yard. The car yard displayed a wide variety of vehicles for sale. The car yard displayed a wide variety of vehicles for sale. Museum, museum. Is the museum open on Sundays? Is the museum open on Sundays? Hotel, hotel. The hotel has a laundry service. The hotel has a laundry service. Farm, farm. It's a lovely old farm. It's a lovely old farm. Motel, motel. We stayed at a motel during our road trip. We stayed at a motel during our road trip. Campsite, campsite. The campsite provided only basic facilities. The campsite provided only basic facilities.